What if everything you knew about getting rich was about to become obsolete? We're on the verge of the biggest wealth transfer in history, and it won't be controlled by Wall Street bankers, but by lines of code. If you don't understand how this works, you risk becoming a passenger in your own financial life. It all comes down to three brutal shifts happening right now. First, money becomes algorithmic. This isn't just about trading stocks. This is about autonomous finance, AI systems that manage, move, and multiply money 24/7. They don't get emotional. They don't sleep. And they're about to replace every human financial advisor who can't keep up. Second, your new net worth is measured in time and data. AI turns seconds into dollars. Your biggest advantage isn't capital, it's how you collect and use data. The new rich aren't just working smart, they've automated the work itself, freeing time for strategy and creation. Third, and most important, the wealthy will stop owning things and start owning systems. A rental property is an asset. An AI that finds, manages, and optimizes 100 properties is a wealth engine. The ultimate status symbol won't be your car. It'll be the automated business that paid for it. So, how do you get in? You don't need to be a coder. You need to be a strategist. Here's your 3-step playbook. Step 1, automate one thing. Pick one repetitive financial task, budgeting, expense tracking, invoicing, and automate it this week. Step 2, weaponize your data. Feed your spending and income data into an AI tool. Let it reveal patterns and profit gaps. Step 3, build one system. Create one automated income stream, AI-run e-commerce, content engine, or trading bot. Start small, scale fast. The future of money isn't about what you own, it's about what you build. The next wave of millionaires will be those who design systems that manage, invest, and create wealth automatically. If you're ready to stop chasing money and start building engines that print it, subscribe to Money Maven Pro, and let's decode the future of wealth together.